when somebody comes out of a lifestyle of drugs and alcohol and abuse for years, they kind of leave a resemblance of it on their life some. I said, but when they begin to get up and testify, I said, there's something different on each and every one of them's life, that there's no longer a resemblance of it, but all you can see is the mercy of God. You can see somebody saying up here, saying, if anybody knows about the love of Jesus, oh,